Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm sharing 31 days of videos all month long. Today's video is a fun collab with my friends Serena and Sabrina, and I will leave links to their channels and Instagrams down below for you guys. But Sabs had challenged Serena and I to go to Dollar Tree, spend $10, and make a crafty something out of it. So that's what I'm doing today. They also have videos going up today as well with their crafty projects, so I will leave links to those so you guys can go and see what they made. So I spent the whole $10 and I got this splatter screen because I'm thinking that I might try to make like a Halloween wreath out of it. So we will see how that goes. Might be a fail, might be a success, I don't know. So I got this. I also got two of these like black and gold feather boas. This big decorative bow that's white with black glittery spiders and spider webs. A pack of purple back clips and this ribbon that is like a black tulle or something with some purple fringes. It is wired ribbon, so hopefully that will be handy. I also got two of these purpley glitter branch things. And then from the Christmas section, because they had already had some Christmas stuff out, I got two things of ornaments. So some big silver ones that are matte and glitter, and then some small glittery ones. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think the only thing that is not from the Dollar Tree that I will be using is my glue gun and some glue sticks, which I think is totally fine because most crafters have those anyway. So let me go ahead and unwrap this, and I'm going to try to actually cut some of this wire out. So all pray for me, okay? I will say that the packaging for this does not seem ideal because the little handle was like screwed through the plastic and the cardstock, so that's not weird. All right, so I don't know how I'm gonna cut this. Let me go see if maybe my garden shears can get through here. So I have these ones by Fiskars, so let's see. I'm thinking ideally where I would like to have it be like a bit of a base. I would have gotten like a foam ring or whatever, but my Dollar Tree when we went there didn't have them this large. They only had like little bitty ones, and I wanted to make a bigger wreath for decorating with. I don't know how this is gonna work. How are you gonna get in there? Kind of getting things started with this small pair of scissors I have. Maybe I'll try Power Gear 2 garden shears. Well, I guess regular scissors would probably be okay too, but these seem to be working pretty good. I don't really care that the circle isn't perfectly round. It's totally fine. So now that I have my little wreath ring or whatever that I'm going to be working with, I'm going to take this feather boa and hot glue it around, I think. I don't know, there's like a weird knot thing here. I don't know if I need to keep that on there to keep it intact or not. I don't know. Okay, so I just unknotted that. All right, so I have two of these because I figured I might need two to kind of go all the way around and really fluff stuff up. I think I'm gonna turn it this way. That way if I have hot glue kind of seep down a little bit, it's not too big of a deal. So on there. And I like to use my bone folder to push things into hot glue so I don't burn my fingers. So there is one time around, so I'm going to go around again and try to hold some of these feathers back. Okay, kind of smash that in there. All right, so that is the first whatever fringy thing, feather boa. I'm going to get the second one and do that again. All right, add some more hot glue and just keep going. And for this last time around, you can see that I've got just a little bit of the mesh right here. So that's where I'm going to concentrate my glue. So we've got that so far. I might put like a bow loop up here because this looks a little not super fluffy, but that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry for just a moment. All right, so this has dried now. You can see some of the glue did come through here, but I think I'm going to add just a little bit more, especially along this cut edge right here to kind of keep it from like poking people, and then so that hopefully some of the glue will kind of seep through the holes again going down and further secure the feathers. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so again, let that dry for just a moment. Like, this is really pretty as it is, and like you could definitely just hang it up like that and it'd be kind of a fun, minimal, like kind of spooky look, but I want to jazz it up a little bit, so I'm going to use some of this ribbon. I'm not quite sure how I want this to go. I was thinking of doing some like kind of loops around like that, maybe. I don't know how that will work. So I'm just gonna kind of go for it. I just gathered up a little bit, and then I'm going to start just kind of tucking it in to the feathery things, and I'm also going to be using those silver balls, so I don't really care if it looks like kind of crazy messy, but I am going to be using this guy because I don't want to die. All right, so what I should have done was picked up 2 of these, but I did not know that there was so little on the roll. Like, I don't know how long 9 feet is. I don't know how many little loops that makes. I don't know. I don't do wreathy things very often, but I figured it's okay. So I sprinkled some over here. There's a few over here, and then once we put the big bow on, like I feel like it'll be okay. I don't know, thinking like the bow there, or maybe the bow at the bottom would be really cute. Maybe I'll do that. So yeah, so this is what we've got going so far. I want to go ahead now and start hot gluing some of these little Christmas balls on here. So I think I'm going to kind of work on both sizes at the same time. I don't know. All I know is that there's a ton of hot glue happening right now, and it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. And I think these are like non-breakable. I want to, like, they feel like plastic, so that's cool. I'm just gonna pop a bunch in the middle and then open the small one too. So I figure I'll put some of the big ones down and then kind of fill in with some of the small ones. So why don't we do it that way? Actually, it's probably the better way. I don't think I need these little guys, so I'm just gonna take some of those off. A lot of these matte ones. I'm gonna set the glitter ones aside. I might use them, I might not, because all of these are glitter, so I might not need so many glittery ornaments. I don't know. Pop some hot glue on here. Get them down in there. Kind of hope for the best. That, and then maybe like one up here and then a small one over here, because it's kind of quirky. And since the ribbons are a little off balance, I think it'd be kind of fun to mimic that with the ornaments to make it look more intentional, and like I didn't accidentally not buy enough stuff. All right, now I'm going to grab the little ones. All right, kind of do the same thing. It's a good thing I like glitter, you guys, because this is insane. All right, maybe like one in there. Okay. And I want to keep in mind that my loop, or however I will hang it, will be up here at the top. So I want to make sure to leave space for that so I don't cover up any ornaments. Okay. And then also my bow will go down here, so just want to keep that in mind. Alright, so that is how that is looking. I think I'm going to go ahead and add the bow because I want to make sure to have room for that. Okay, so what I decided to do was I took the handle off of the like metal piece thing that we used at the beginning, and I'm going to hot glue this down to kind of bump up the bow a little bit so that the bow doesn't have to go all the way down here to the bottom. It has a little bit of like a lift, I guess. I don't know. So I'm just going to place a bunch of hot glue on here. You're not gonna see it anyway. Okay. That right there. And then I can glue the bow onto this little riser thing, and it should help bump it out just a little bit. So hopefully that will work. And then for this ball, I'm going to kind of glue it down a little bit more so it's a little bit more to the side. So this is what we've got so far. I think it's turned out really, really cute. I did cut off some of the pieces from this little twig thing, as you can see right here, just so that they're a little bit more manageable and I can just kind of tuck them in wherever I want. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. And this is what it looks like now. So I love the little sticks kind of popping out. And then the last thing is to add some of these glittery bats. Now they did come with these little clips on the back, but they are super easy to just pull out. So I'm just gonna add some hot glue on the back and then kind of start popping these guys in here somewhere. I don't really know. Okay, and then I have another one. So here you can see the backs come out super easy. I'm not sure where I want this guy. I was thinking maybe like up here, then like that. And then I will let this dry again. And this is the completed project. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree challenge. I would love for you to give it a try. Just leave me your links down below so I can check out your video or your Instagram post. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already. And don't forget to go over and watch Sabrina and Serena's videos today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.